Hi everyone, I'm Karen Hellman. I have been teaching English and reading at Onalaska High School for about 25 years. I'm really excited to reopen the invitation to a trip that I had planned for this past summer, the summer of 2020. It is an educational tour of England, and it is scheduled now for June of 2022. So it's about a year and a half away, and I would like to invite you to consider joining me on this amazing adventure. So pack your bags, we're going to England! Yay! One of the stops that we're going to be making after we land in Manchester is that we'll be going to Yorkshire. And in Yorkshire, we will tour the Bronte Museum. We'll get to see York Minster, which is a cathedral, and we'll get to look at and tour Clifford's Tower, which is a neat little architectural feature hidden away there in York. After York, we head down to Oxford, and Oxford is a location where there's a pretty impressive university. New College is also part of Oxford, and New College was one of the locations where the Harry Potter films were filmed. So we get to see in real life parts of Hogwarts where Harry attended wizarding school. In Oxford, or from Oxford actually, we will then trickle over to Bath and tour the Roman baths for which the town of Bath got its name. Those Roman baths are close to 2,000 years old and were created by Roman conquerors who conquered Britain about 2,000 years ago. So we'll get to spend some time in Bath. We may have an opportunity to go to the Jane Austen Museum or the Jane Austen Center that is located in Bath. She lived in Bath for a while. From Oxford, we go to Stratford, which is near London, and Stratford is the home of William Shakespeare. This picture up here shows someone sitting in a garden seat. This house behind is the cottage where Anne Hathaway, Shakespeare's wife, lived. And when Shakespeare retired from writing and theater, he went back to his home in Stratford-upon-Avon. We'll get to tour Anne Hathaway's gardens, which I'm told are quite impressive. After Stratford, we make our way to London. And in London, we will tour Windsor Castle. We'll see Buckingham Palace. We'll get to tour the Globe Theatre. We'll even get an opportunity to see a stage production on one of the nights when we're in London. It likely won't be at the Globe, but London has an amazing theater culture that we will be able to take a part of. And so London is full of all kinds of really fun places to go and good food to eat. Again, we'll tour Buckingham Palace, hang out at Oxford, eat fish and chips like a true Brit. And I really think this is going to be a lot of fun. I was so excited to be able to go this past summer, and then, you know, that didn't happen. Nobody went anywhere. And so now I'm like, I need something really exciting to look forward to. So I am going to look forward to a new trip and new travelers and heading over to England in June of 2022. So if you are interested, this could be you. You could be part of this amazing adventure. All you need to do is invite your adult people who are in charge of you, your parents or guardians, to come to the parent information meeting, and all kinds of specifics will be covered there, including what our window of travel time is, how much it will cost, what kind of guarantees are in place for if the pandemic isn't quite over yet, and I sure hope it is in 2022. The meeting date is Wednesday, December 9th. It is at 6 p.m. and it is a Zoom meeting. If you want to get information about the tour, you must RSVP to the parent information meeting because you can't get the Zoom link unless you RSVP. How do you do that? Well, there's a really nice QR code here. You can scan the code with your phone, click compose a message, change the phone number. You know, they have that generic 555 number. Change that number to your parent or guardian's contact number. and then click send. And EF will take care of sending them the Evite. They will take care of making sure the adult people in charge of you have the Zoom link for the meeting. All right. I think that's all I have to tell you about getting you excited to come to the meeting. In this email, you will also be receiving a one-page flyer with a QR code and the link. There is a link for the RSVP in this email as well. And also in this email is a really nice EF produced little video about the excitement and fun of traveling. So I hope that you are interested in coming. I hope that the December 9th meeting time works for you. I look forward to meeting you, and let's plan ahead for 2022 and a London tour.